Well, my friends, I struggled to find the speed sensors on a 2012 Hyundai Elantra, and after doing major research and speaking to the representative of the parts manufacturers, I was led into the transmission housing, which I've dismantled completely. I've taken out the components. There's the rest of the transmission components. Well, it's not as easy as they said, so make sure you charge appropriate, and it can be done. It is possible. It is possible. Thanks for watching. This is Sergio, the Tin Man, coming at you live from Chicago, Humboldt Park. Bless up.